to see what ESC off is like, because I seem to be gripping up pretty well in anything over second gear. All right, ESC off. Missed the shift again, but the grip was there. It was oversteering, but it didn't want to throw me into the ditch. It still kept me around the corner. There we go. I'm kind of tempted to try out a launch. I've never tried launching a manual vehicle, and as far as I know, it's pretty much as simple as revving it up a little bit before you let the clutch out and just trying to get off fast. But I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm not promising you guys anything. First gear is not gonna be smooth. I don't know if the let off is gonna be smooth either. Woo! Like, I want to be hitting those every single time. Whew. That takeoff felt good though. First. Whew. Second gear just kicked there. That's what I'm talking about. Out of the corner. Bop. See what we can do here. Now we're talking. Guys, I honestly love this car. So much fun. I'm so glad that we ended up getting it, and I cannot wait to put a little more power under the hood. Because at that point, I feel like during the summer and the hotter weather, it's gonna feel like right now in the cold. Beautiful. Wow. That's the first time I've done that. That's awkward. And that's gonna be all for this one today, guys. I hope you enjoyed coming along for another ride in the GTI. And make sure to drop a like because it really helps us out. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and turn on post notifications. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.